Bentley is bringing contrast and depth to its Continental GT family with the launch of a new S range, focused on driving performance and visual appearance. Through a multitude of enhancements to the exterior design, interior specification, and dynamic system, the new S range adjusts to Bentley Grand Touring recipe to center on the pleasure of driving, an opposing yet complementary emphasis on the well-being behind the wheel concept of the recent comfort-centric Azure range launch. The 8-cylinder engine soldiers on with 542 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. It enables the car to reach 62 miles per hour from a standstill in 4 seconds flat. The Posh Grand Tourer is getting a sports exhaust with quad tips in black to amplify the twin-turbo 4.0-liter unit soundtrack. If you like these videos, hit the thumbs up button and thank you for watching.